All right, today I'm about to head out to Colvin Enterprises in Shelbyville, Kentucky. They are a Built Rite dealer, so he said they have a couple of the 12-foot by 32-foot lofted cabins out there. So we're gonna go check them out and see what we think. We are thinking about getting these as kind of like a temporary thing while we're building the house. So stay with me and we'll go check them out. Okay, so I'm out here. This looks like Colvin's in Shelbyville, Kentucky. Standing inside a 12 by 32 portable building, double lofted. So I wanted to come out here and just kind of get a size of it. We're considering doing a few of these on the property as we build, just for temporary housing. So I'll walk around and give you an idea of what it looks like here. So from this corner, and the 32 foot goes all the way to the end of the porch, which I was hoping it was the interior, but it looks like they're all going to be that way. So we got looks like a 2x3 window there, two more 2x3 windows and one over here. It does look like it's got a decent amount of space. Let's see if I can get a shot of the loft here. This is the loft in the back. Looks like it's 4'8", looks like 12 foot. So it's a decent sized loft. It's only about 3 foot tall. And the loft up here looks like another 12 foot, but it goes out over the porch. So these are nice. This place is a little more expensive than what we looked at online, but it's also cheaper than some of the places. The way it sits, just a bare shell, you're looking at $89.85, $415 for 36 months or $365 for 48 months. And let's see, I believe it's no credit checks here, just like everybody else. Rent to own.
And now this building here, I'm sorry.
Oh, you can go ahead.
See the hooks in the wall, the ceiling?
Yeah.
It comes with the 5 foot swing.
Oh, okay.
This one here does.
Okay.
That's what it's a little more about. And it has that octagon window there, where the ones down there don't have it.
Yeah, a lot of them don't have them.
This is what we call our Deluxe lofted cabin.
Okay.
And that's a urethane color on there.
They got
a driftwood.
They got a lot of different colors on them, don't they? Or you can get different colors on them, can't you?
We have all different colors. Now all the painted buildings come with vinyl railing. Our wood buildings have wood railing.
Okay, so that was the Deluxe lofted cabin. We're going to go down here. This is just the standard lofted cabin. The Deluxe has the recessed porch. This one doesn't. So we'll take a look at this one. This is actually a repo, so it's a little cheaper. Walked right through a damn mud pit. Alright. So since it's a repo, it's not as clean. But it's going to be cheaper if we decide on this one. And he says this isn't big enough for a swing, but we should be able to get a swing to fit in here. And you can tell this was used as a shed, that's for sure. Alright, so you're looking at 83, 85, 12 by 32. Looks like the front porch is 4 feet. 340, 85 a month for 48 months, or 388.19 a month for 36 months. And I'm gonna ask him if they extend that any further than 48. So, right away the interior already looks bigger because you're not losing space right here. And so, this was a repo. The loft on this one in the back is huge. And it looks like they've done some insulation work in between the panels on the roof. This one's got a cracked window. He said that'll get fixed when somebody buys it before it gets delivered. Let's see if I can get a shot up here. All right, so this one looks bigger. Well, it's a few foot bigger up here. So I like the idea of these. We can make one of these work. Well, it's not as tall as I expected it to be. Still got two lofts. The one over the porch, just like the other one. The only difference in these is that recessed porch. He said it's 5 feet so that you can fit a 5-foot swing over there, which I'm not concerned about that. I'd rather have the space on the inside. To me, this is a pretty good sized building. Take you back up here a little bit. We'll look at the outside of it one more time. This one doesn't have a window up top. This one's basically the same size, 12 by 32. Let's see what the back half of it looks like here. This one's kind of a reddish brown color. White trim. Looks like it's got a dark brown roof. There's the busted window again. They said that'd be getting fixed. Okay, so after going out and looking at these things, I like them. The only problem I have is the lofted ones. They have 6 foot 6 inch walls as far as the height goes, and I don't know if that's going to work for me. I am only 5'8", and my wife's about 5'6", 5'7", so it's not really a big deal to us. But I don't know if I want the ceiling that low. Now, if we were to go with the standard style cabin, which he didn't have any of those in stock for me to look at, they have 8 foot tall walls, but you don't get the loft like you do with the lofted ones. So the downside, you don't get a loft. The upside is the ceilings are taller. So we got to kind of think about that. Plus the regular ones, they're a little cheaper. They're about roughly about $1,000 cheaper. So anyways, we'll probably have to get these things approved because the minimum 1 bedroom size in Kentucky is 600 square feet, and I think a 12'x32 ends up being around 300, I believe. So anyways, we'll have to go in front of a board of zoning and planning and see if they'll approve them. So stay tuned for the next video. Maybe I can give you a little bit of an update on how that's going.